welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this super easy candy corn inspired eyeshadow look that you can wear to a party, to work, or to just about anywhere. You don't need false lashes, you just need a few brushes, a couple colors, and you're out the door for creating this look. If you're curious on the earrings, where I got them from, what video they're in, it's from my collective haul of Sam Moon, Beauty Expo, Beauty Supply Store, etc. Haul video, linked in the description box below. If you're wanting another Halloween inspired eyeshadow look that is very wearable, perfect for the season, check out the purple one I did not too long ago, and it'll be linked in the description box below as well for you guys. And if you're wanting more Halloween, more spooky, more wearable October themed eyeshadow looks, I will have more in the coming week, or at least leading up to Halloween, so definitely stay tuned. In the meantime, I'm going to stop babbling and we're going to get on to the eyeshadow look for you guys. My entire face together, except for eyeshadow, of course. I saw a candy corn inspired eyeshadow look, well, several of them. I was kind of browsing on Pinterest and Instagram and thought the idea was fun. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a fan of it. I know it's a huge debate around it come Halloween time, whether you like it or you don't. With this look, I'm going to be using multiple palettes, and for those, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow Palette. There is this matte white right here, yellow part of the candy corn. I'm going to dip into my Bright Lights and Pinky Rose palette, and the shade called Lit, which looks like this yellow. I'm digging into the ColourPop Orangey Glad palette, and I'm thinking about using two shades in this. I'm not too sure where we're going or how it's going to turn out or what shades I'm going to use, but I'm going to be using possibly Sunkissed, and possibly to maybe darken up just a little bit, Rise and Grind right here. So I'm going to go ahead and dig into the first palette. I'm going to start from the inner part of my lid and work my way outward. So I'm going to take this white shade and I'm going to apply it on the inner part of my lid, try and pack it on. I'm going to grab a mirror because I'm mirrorless right now. So now that I set down the white shade in the inner part of my lid, it's like the inner third, just working here, and then we're going to work on the middle of my lid. Now we're moving on to the orange part of the candy corn, so this will be placed on the outer portions or where there's no eyeshadow on my eyelids right now. And for that, I'm going to start off with, again, the ColourPop Orangey Glad palette. And I'm actually going to try going into the Sunkissed shade right here. Alright, so I've had to sit here for quite a bit to pack on the white again, pack on the yellow. The yellow is the hardest color for me right now. It's getting harder to stick on this eye than this eye. So if this one looks just a little bit wonky and not blended, I've tried my hardest. But as you can see, we've done the white to the yellow and to the orange, blended it all out, kept packing it on, kept blending it. So this takes a little bit of a process. But now I'm going to work on the lower lash line. So I'm going to follow the same pattern of orange into yellow, white, or white into yellow into orange, whatever you want to call it, on both eyes. I'm back. I finished up the eyes, put on some lipstick, so I just curled my lashes. I didn't really want to fuss with putting on false lashes, so just to keep this look really easy, really simple, and something you can wear to work, or something you can wear out for some small party function, or whatever the case may be, this will definitely work for you. Or if you just want some festive eyeshadow on Halloween, but you don't want anything too dramatic or crazy or intricate with spider webs and bats and bat wings, etc., and all of that, this is fairly easy to recreate. I tightline the upper lash line, so if I look up, it's this right here, so where the lashes are, it's just like that, almost like the waterline, but just on the top of it. I don't know what the technical term is, but I put black eyeliner there as well as in my waterline. I use the Ulta Beauty Gel Eyeliner in Blackout. This is my favorite black pencil eyeliner for in my lash, or in my waterline, excuse me, because this holds up all day long, does not smear, does not budge, does not start dripping down onto my under eyes or anything, does not smear, smudge, bother me whatsoever. Super creamy, and it's really easy to work with. So if you're looking in the market for a black liner pencil for your waterline, definitely check this one out. On my lips, wanted to kind of do something a little bit orangey but not too bright. Didn't want to do black because I felt like it would stick out a lot and it would be too harsh for this look. So I kept with the orangeness of the candy corn. I used the e.l.f. Seriously Satin Lipstick in Nectar. So that is what's on my lips. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Let me know what you think of the eye look in the comments down below. I would love to see you there. As always, have an awesome rest of your day and or week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.